Hi guys, here's a quick video tour of a Lightyear MX5 Miata Fastback. This is what you'll get in a whole kit. So you get the roof, a working trunk if you choose it, so that opens and closes like normal, and that's what it looks like inside. It's just basic frame. The rib nuts are all in for your factory latch, which I don't have on this one. You get polycarbonate windows, and there is rubbers on the door frame window inside. It's just got simple brackets locate the sides. The bracket locates the rear there, and they can be painted black, and that's the inner frame going around. There's also a rubber seal that gets all, you can kind of see it a bit here, that goes around, seals the cabin. And the top, hang on a second, that's a very dodgy view, but so at the top you've got the front brackets that are laser cut as well, and the internal frame, and that's pretty much it.